boxes. Topps Chrome Sapphire Edition. UEFA Champions League. Appreciate it, man. Did one of these last week. So it's been pretty good to us. Let's see what we got. All right, guys. Start off with Tommy Abraham. Did I say Tommy? Tammy Abraham, excuse me. Tammy Abraham, Peter Gulewski, Milik, and Kyle Walker. Definitely not Tommy Abraham, but it is Tammy. Antoine Griezmann. Tammy Abraham again. It's a Tammy Abraham hot box. Future stars. Alexandro and Vlachodimos. Next up, Junior. Eric Lamela. Lionel Messi and Kevin Volland. All right, Gareth Bale. We're backwards here. Kevin De Bruyne. Cristiano Ronaldo. That is the variation. And Marco Reus. Dortmund. Emil Forsberg. Then we have a Kyle Walker. That is the orange parallel. Number 3 of 50. Jadon Sancho and Virgil van Dijk. Next up is Lorenzo Insigne. A Sekou Koita rookie. Kai Havertz, future stars. And Pizzi. Followed by Leon Bailey, Philip Coutinho, Dries Mertens, and Sergio Ramos. And our final pack, finish out box number 1. We've got Gnabry, Mario Icardi, Marcel Sabitzer, and a Kieran Trippier. Is box number 1. Number 2. Sapphire. We've got Angel Correa. Then we have a Rodrigo. That is the green parallel. Numbered 7 of 75. Alex Merritt and Benjamin Pavard, rookies. Next up, Arisa Balaga, rookie. Harry Kane, Ter Stegen, and Rodrigo. Felix, rookie of Hee-chan Wang. Harry Winks, future stars, and Mohamed Salah, Liverpool, base. Asmon, Courtois, Mertens, and Pjanic. Come on. Knock our socks off with something big here. Lucas Klosterman. Here's a Christian Pulisic. That is the variation. Kieran Trippier and Pizzi. Gnabry. Icardi. And we got a yellow parallel. It's nice looking Sancho right there. Dortmund. That's number 50 of 99. The Sabitzer. Next up, Coutinho. Lucas Klosterman, future stars. Then we have a Lionel Messi and Sergio Ramos. And our final pack in box number 2. Round out the break, we got a Azpilicueta, a Sekou Koita, Virgil van Dijk, and Kevin Volland. All right, and that will round it on out. Jesse, I appreciate it again, buddy. Hope you enjoyed. Again, I will get it packed up and out as soon as I can, man.